How to verify Cash App in Jamaica. This is a step-by-step tutorial.
All that you have to do is to just open your Cash App just like this one. Then when you look at the top right hand corner, you can see you have the profile icon. Just click on it once, and when it comes, just scroll down here. You can see we have verify your identity over here. Just tap on it, and over here when you scroll down here, you can see we have identity verification. Okay, so we have verify your identity. So over here you can see verify your info to help prevent fraud on Cash App. So just simply tap on it. So when it comes, so it says that let's verify your identity. Over here, the first thing that you're going to do is to confirm your details. Okay, so the personal info, just click on the personal info here. And then here, all that you have to do is to just put in your first legal name and then your last legal name. Okay, it has to be the one on your identity card, your ID card. Okay, so put your first name here. When you're done, then you put in your last name. Then you come down here and then you click on next. So after putting in your name, the next thing that you have to do is to put in your date of birth. Okay, it is very important to put in the correct date of birth. Okay, so it says that Cash App is available to ages from 13 years onwards. Okay, so just put in your date of birth here. So after doing it, then you come down here and then you click on the next. The next thing, which is very important, is the last 4 digits of your social security number. Okay, so you are going to put the last 4 digits here. Then you tap on the next. So the next thing I have to do is to simply verify your identity with a photo of your ID and face to continue. What I have to do is just look down here. You can see you have the continue. Just click on the continue. And over here, you can see we have take a photo of your ID. You can go by your driver's license, your state ID, your passport, or permanent residence. Okay, so you can go by any of these, and after doing it, you'll be successfully verified.
So this is how to verify your Cash App in Jamaica. Thank you for watching the video. Just like it and then see you in my next video.